today I have a party and I wanted to prepare a very good appetizer, maybe some finger food for the party that is easy to prepare, but at the same time that has absolutely great taste. So I prepared mini quiche, and I prepared 3 different kinds. The first kind is with bacon. It's a great taste to it. The second kind is more for vegetarians, is filled with brie cheese and cranberry sauce. And the last kind, which is my favorite, is filled with smoked salmon. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a mini quiche filled with bacon. It's very easy. Let's go. We start with the liquidy parts. We have the 4 eggs here. We have the cream. We add the cream to the eggs, salt and pepper. We whisk everything together and we're ready for the next stage. Now we heat up the pan and we add to the pan the chopped bacon or ham, whatever you have, into the pan, and we fry them a little bit. And after they fry a little bit, we add the chopped leek, which I chopped into small pieces, and I add it to that pan. Take a form for mini muffins or small muffins, because we want, this is finger food, so we want the pieces to be small. And then I take a brush with butter and I butter the inside so that the dough doesn't stick to the sides. So here I have the dough and I'm gonna cut out of them little circles, and we're gonna put those circles into the form. Now I put the form with the dough into the fridge to cool down, and we're gonna mix all the ingredients. So here I'll have the eggs, the cream with what I fried here, and we'll add some Gruyere cheese to it, or any hard cheese, whatever you have. And there is a secret ingredient, and that's the grated Parmasean, which adds a great flavor to the whole thing. I mixed it all together, and look at the consistency. It's difficult for me to tell you, but it's not liquidy. Look, I'm going to show you with a spoon. It basically is a bit chunky. Yeah, here it is. And now we're going to spoon in the mixture into the little pockets and make sure that you go at least to the rim. So now we fill them up and we're ready to put them in the oven. We put them at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes.